In this lesson, we will learn when we will create any structural member. Order of selection is really very important. Activate this structural member tool. Standard, select inch, type square tube and size 2 by 2 inch. Inside group 1, select all 4 lines, which is continuous line. Then create new group, which is group 2. Inside group 2, select this line. Then inside group 3, select this line. Then press OK. And here we can see this structural member is trimmed. The reason is I selected this line first, then I selected this line. That's why this structural member is trimmed. If I select this structural member at the end, then this structural member will be trimmed. Let's say, go inside it, delete group 3, inside group 2, delete this path, select this line first, then create another group, select this line, and now you will see that this structural member is trimmed. But even if you select with wrong order, you can fix it by using corner treatment. Select at the center. For group 1, this is showing trim order 1, change this to 2. For group 2, change this to 1 and press OK, and you will see this result is just reverse. So you can follow either way. You can fix it by using corner treatment, or you can just select a right order.